In the previous video, I talked about how to run bulk operations such as open, close, set group, transfer, and delete on browser profile. Now, let's go through on how to bulk create profile on DICloak. As always, when you log into the app, you will be on the browser's profile page. Click on the down arrow beside the Create Profile button and choose Batch Create. You will need to specify the number of browser's profile you want to create. Set the name, which will be assigned to all the profile you create in this batch, and all the profile created will be grouped under the same group, sharing the same browsers and operating system. A random or fixed UA will be assigned to each profile created in this batch. For the proxy setting, you can either assign the same proxy to all your profile in this batch or randomly assign proxies from those you have set. If you are running a specific platform, you can pre-configure the login account and website information for the profile. It will automatically log into the platform when you open the profile. Set up the data synchronizations details and browser setting for the batch. Configure specific device fingerprint information for the profiles. Remember that all browsers profile created in this batch will be used the same fingerprint settings. That's all for today. If you have any questions or suggestions, please do not hesitate to contact us.